Red Bull gives you wings.
Oh, what happened on that one? Could you see?
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're at Cranes Roost Park for the Red Bull Tandem Rollercoaster Challenge.
Yes, they just do this whole course and most of them fall right into the water. And this is the first time it has ever been in the United States here in Florida. So come join us on this adventure.
Make sure you stay to the end because we're going to see who falls in, what special judges they have, and all kinds of special food here today. So join us. 3, 2, 1, go. So as you enter here, we see all of the teams in the background getting set.
We're going to show you them all.
Here we go. So here we have the DeLorean, Doc Martin, Marty McFly. He's got the video camera and everything.
There you go. Is this your first time doing it?
My first time, yes. Guardians of the Galaxy, got Drax, Gamora, don't mind her.
I
Still
love
getting
it.
Ready.
That's right.
Gru and Rocket. Peter Quill is somewhere sleeping.
I am Groot. Well, we'll wish you luck.
Thank you so much.
Right there.
So here we have Mario and Luigi. What are we riding?
We're riding the Bullet. The Bullet
Bullet.
from Mario Bros. So whenever you're in last place and you need a little boost, this is what you're getting on.
Jump on. Here we got a graveyard scene. What's your name?
Island Water Sports Fin Frenzy.
Island Water Sports.
Graveyard. So the idea is the surfer is always trying to outrun danger to get the next big wave. So my husband's going to be on front as the surfer. I'm going to be on the back as the Grim Reaper with all the danger coming after.
Oh, going after it. All right, well, good luck. We hope you guys fly. All right.
How are you?
Good. Are you from here?
Yep, from Castleberry, Florida.
All right. It seems like a lot of y'all are from here.
Yeah, a lot of locals.
Yeah, a lot of locals. I like that. Good luck.
Thank you. You
All
enjoying
right.
the event?
I like that. Well, I think you have a good idea with the bike. It's like
Yeah.
we're keeping it in the center like that.
Yeah,
It keeps
the theme.
right, and it also it's not heavy in the front, so you got some streamline. You're gonna ring that bell.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Good luck. Take care.
I love the detail. The detail's cool, awesome. Good luck, guys. Disney Transit Authority. So look at this. They got an old-fashioned DJ cassette tape. This is the disco ballroom. Could have been a DJ set. Altamonte Springs. Tons of stuff you can do right outside of Orlando. So I'm sitting here for the day, injured, can't walk around, so I got my spot. We're gonna give you guys a perfect view of all the action here today at Red Bull America. So here is the setup. They're gonna start up on the top, come over the hump, gain some speed, have to make a turn, and another S turn here in order to come across the bridge and ring the bell in order to win.
Nobody's number one in our hearts, Dwight Howard! Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2, 1, hold! They are up the first hill, a little wobbly there. They're going on the turn and they have fallen. They have broken apart. Party is time. 3, 2, 1. And that DeLorean is going 88 miles an hour over that first hill. Oh, they got this move. The first turn is really good. Down that first hill over to the second turn. Going to Jason's Hill. Going to Jason's Hill. Oh! They don't quite make it. He lost his balance in the middle there just a little bit. But man, was that awesome. 3, 2, 1, go! They're down the first hill going real fast. A lot of you cheer the faster it goes. See, they're being smart while they're taking that first and second turn with speed and using the brake. And here they go, going across Jason's Hill.
try.
2, 1. Here they go across the first hill. They did mighty Steve. Oh, that first one. Oh, no. That was a big fall. Here they go down the first hill. They are doing great over the first bump. And they didn't even. Well, they just said nope and didn't even attempt to turn.
All right, so we've already discussed this, right? It's got to be functioning brakes and functioning steering. So far, we've seen somebody not use the brakes, and I feel that that was a bit of an example of not using the steering. Oh! Oh no, I really wanted them to make it.
They are down the first one. They are taking their time. Oh, a little bit speedy, a little bumpy. They're going to get to that first curve. Oh, Will, they saved that. That was good.
My concern is this short contraption going to make it through our water tunnel? Oh, we're never going to find out.
They're down the first hill, a little wobbly, going real fast there, Will, but they're using their bodies to balance, I'm noticing. Oh, this is good. They're getting on that second turn, no problem, going right into Jason Hill.
Yeah, see, that's those bike skills I was telling you about there. They were kind of keeping that under wraps a little. These guys are fast, Jordan. Can they get the bell? Nobody's rung the bell on the way through. Guys, the bell! Oh, and he breaks the bell.
They go down the first hill. Oh, they're going a little quickly over the first roof. And they are down, and they are down quick, Will.
I think that, could that possibly be, you got a better vantage point than me, but could that possibly be the shortest run yet?
A quick one over the hoop, over the first turn. They're losing some bagels along the way, but they are steady. Here comes the second turn. It's going to be difficult. Oh, no! Down the first hill they go. Oh, really wobbly there on the first one. Speed is huge there, and they're out.
That was amazing. They did tell me earlier, Jordan, we're not going to get wet today.
No! They are down the first hill, going real fast. The louder you cheer, the faster they'll go.
The speed is there. The speed is there.
See, they're being smart, Will. They're taking that first and second turn with speed and using those brakes. And here they go. They're going across Jason's hill.
I think mountain bike skills are coming into play big time here, Jordan. You can see the balance. They're trusting each other. There's teamwork going on. Round the final turn and through the water tunnel. Don't forget the bell, guys.
You know, I was his history teacher a couple of years back, and he texted me. And he said, hey, you want to do a small bike contest with me?
Oh, what a waste. All that work. So much work. A head tap there, okay.
Well, they are antsy, and they are going off the first loop, using that speed. Into the first turn, they are going really quick. They got to use those brakes into that second turn, going right in front of the judges. And they are off down the big first hill. Oh, the first whoop. Oh, they got that good. Here comes the first turn. Taking that nice and slow down the second hill. Over to the second turn to the right. They have made it farther than anybody. Altamonte Springs, how you guys feeling out there? I got two very important announcements for you guys. Number one, if you are standing on a light pole, if you are sitting on any type of...
Hey guys, thanks for joining us. That's our time here today at the Red Bull Cranes Roost Double Challenge.
Yes, thank you. And don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us on our next adventure over there.